Okay, I wanted to give you some explanation and a demonstration of the GC file that you're creating for homework on Friday. And so here's what it looks like. Your first line defines these parameters here. BP1 stands for breakpoint 1, so that's the x value at the first breakpoint where the rate of change changes. Breakpoint 2 is here at 2.5. Breakpoint 3 right now is assigned to be at 4. And breakpoint 4 is at 7, that's off the graph. So I'm going to change. Okay. And then the second line is the rates, the constant rates. So rate 1 will be the rate of change, constant rate of change from 0 to breakpoint 1, whatever that's set at. And then rate 2 is the constant rate of change from breakpoint 1 to breakpoint 2, etc. So based on the way these parameters are defined right now, when you graph the piecewise function, this is what you get. So if I change this rate, here let's make it negative 1.1 instead, you notice what happened is that fourth rate just changed to be negative 1.1 rather than negative 3. So we can come in here, you should be able to change the breakpoints to be anything you want. So breakpoint 1, 1, breakpoint 2, 3, breakpoint 4, 5.5, and breakpoint 4, 8.1, and then we can change the rates. Rate number 1, let's say negative 0.8, rate 2 of 2, rate 3 of 0.3, and rate 4 of negative 0.7. And now when I graph it, it will apply all these new breakpoints: x equals 1, x equals 3, x equals 5.5, and x equals 8.1, and the corresponding rates between the breakpoints. So your job is to recreate this file with one more command line. One more command line, so that if you change the breakpoints and change the rates, that last command line will define this function f that will be according to those breakpoints and those rates. So read that sheet very carefully. It also explains it in detail, but that's what you're doing. And if you have a question, watch this again, read the sheet again very carefully, and then still have a question, shoot an email to myself or your TA. Okay, good luck.